The recent WazirX hack significantly impacted the crypto market, with a 1.3% drop in total market cap according to CoinGecko. Notably, WazirX, or WRX, was not among the stolen assets. This hack brings the total value lost to $1.868 billion this year. Despite the $235 million theft, the market remained relatively stable, with some assets like Dog with Hat and Solana even rising in value. WRX dropped 9.2%, while Bitcoin and Ethereum prices remained stable. Shiba Inu, Pepe, and Polygon Matic showed resilience despite being among the stolen assets. Overall, the market's mature response and resilience highlight the crypto industry's evolution in handling such incidents. And if you're trying to make as much as you can with your crypto investments, you can look into leverage trading. It's also known as margin trading. And there's an exchange called MargX. There's a link down in the description below. They give you a range from 5x all the way up to 50x. So if you're looking at, say, XRP and you're feeling extra bullish on this, you want to play around with it, you have the opportunity on this exchange. And the beautiful thing is, there's no KYC. So if you want to get started, it only takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute to create an account. And also you can do regular crypto trading on here. You can buy crypto on here. They even have copy trading. So you can take a look at how other people are performing. If you want to just go ahead and set up an autopilot, you provide your collateral. It's real quick, one click, super easy and simple. And then you can also claim up to $10,000. If you want to learn more about this, you can find the link down in the description below. Now, Bitcoin has rallied over 20% in 2 weeks, rising from $53,500 to nearly $64,000 before a slight 1% retracement. On-chain data from Sentiment shows Binance traders opening new short positions as positive sentiment drops by 66% from 4 months ago. This bearish sentiment could paradoxically lead to a Bitcoin price surge. Miners have sold around 2,000 Bitcoin as prices rose past $60,000. However, Bitcoin retail investors' demand has hit a 3-year low, while institutional investors remain active with significant weekly inflows. With $1.12 billion in Bitcoin options expiring, a high put/call ratio of 1.17 suggests bearish expectations. Despite this, spot Bitcoin ETFs, led by BlackRock's IBIT, continue to see substantial inflows. Paraguay has shut down over 70 illegal Bitcoin mines in 5 years, with these operations stealing up to $60 million in electricity annually, according to the Administración Nacional de Electricidad, or ANDE. These illegal mines contribute to frequent blackouts by overloading power lines. 7 ANDE engineers are under investigation for allegedly using company transformers to power illegal crypto mines. Despite low taxes and cheap imports making Paraguay attractive for miners, public outrage has led to laws imposing up to 10-year sentences for energy theft. Most of Paraguay's energy from the Itaipu Dam is sold to Brazil, though some miners legally purchase excess power. Similarly, Malaysian illegal crypto miners stole $722 million in electricity between 2018 and 2023. Bitcoin's volatility signals are strongly bullish, with current conditions only seen twice before. Analysis by Julian Bittel of Global Macro Investor suggests that Bitcoin could rise to $190,000. Bittel notes that Bollinger Bands, a key volatility indicator, are crazy tight, a condition observed only in April of 2016 and July 2023. Historically, such compression precedes significant price increases, with Bitcoin/USD potentially targeting $140,000 to $190,000. At $64,000 on July 19th, Bitcoin is up 11% over the past week. While institutional investors in Wales are accumulating, mainstream retail interest remains low. Trader Rex Capital predicts a critical breakout for Bitcoin in September of 2024, mirroring past bullish cycles. Payment delays at the Bank of England have prompted calls for adopting XRP in traditional payment systems. A global payments issue caused disruptions in the UK's CHAPS interbank payment system, which the BOE resolved by the end of the day. The crypto community, including King Solomon of Generation Infinity, suggested using XRP to mitigate such issues. The problem originated from the global SWIFT services, not affecting other nations. XRP boasts faster transaction times, 3 to 5 seconds, and lower costs, this is 0.0002 cents, compared to Bitcoin. The XRP ledger outperforms major blockchains in speed, cost, and scalability. Integration with platforms like FedNow showcases XRP's growing acceptance, indicating potential for wider adoption in traditional finance. And Ripple CTO's David Schwartz has reminded XRP Ledger node operators to upgrade to the latest Ripple version 2.2.0 to ensure service continuity. This new version includes performance improvements, bug fixes, and 5 new amendments open for voting. And Ripple, they experienced a 7% price decrease following the cancellation of a crucial meeting with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Despite a recent surge, XRP fell below 57 cents. The ongoing legal case with the SEC is causing concern among traders, with the settlement day scheduled for July 31st now in doubt. Former SEC lawyer Mark Fagel suggested that cancellation might not be significant as there have been numerous meetings already. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse called for a bipartisan approach to crypto regulation in the USA, criticizing the partisan divide. He emphasized the need for clear regulations, highlighting that many in the crypto sector are trying to comply. Despite current partisanship, Garlinghouse remains hopeful for bipartisan support. Let's go ahead and take a look at the price charts with XRP. As of the time of me recording the video, it's down about 3% over the last 24 hours. We see that it is also down below that VWAP, so ideally we'll want the price to climb up a little bit more, break above that, close above that, which would suggest a more bullish trend. We still have resistance up here at just around 80 cents. Also keep an eye that the Bollinger Band is widening, but just a tiny bit. So we saw some volume activity that had increased, but as of the last 24 hours, we are definitely seeing a decline take place. It is still on the verge of that overbought territory, but with this having just passed on July 18th, now eyes are watching, as I just mentioned a moment ago, for July 31st. And then moving over to Bitcoin, Bitcoin up just barely on the day, sitting above $64,000, trying to make that run up to $65,000. We're seeing a slight consolidation take place here, but for how long, we have to wait and see. And with this, we also have the Bollinger Band. The median line on this is coinciding with our Fibonacci zone right around $60,300. So definitely keep an eye out for that as a key level of support, $60,000 underneath it. But if we're looking at it from an optimistic standpoint, we are on the road trying to get to $65,000, breaking above that, 70K, then all-time highs. It has the potential. We have to keep an eye on it as usual. And let me know what you guys think about all this. Share your thoughts down in the comments below. Again, you can find my link to Margex down in the description below. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to Victor Vegas being a higher level patron. If you want to show your support for as little as $1 a month, you can find the link down in the description below. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. Please don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.